welcome to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy our content, hit the subscribe button to join us, and turn on notifications so you are alerted when we upload our new video content. And thank you for following and supporting us. Southeast Tunerz is sponsored by GRACIES Sweet Treats, Southeast London's #1 supplier of American candy and drinks, supplying to you American boxes, chocolate hampers and chocolate bouquets. And for all your vehicle modification, styling and security at its finest, whether you own a bike or a car, choose Hyped Up. Hyped Up are also supporters of the Southeast Tunerz car cleaning and valeting range. So this is Errol, and if you've attended any UK car show this year, you would have definitely seen Errol make an appearance. Errol is the 2024 UK Extreme Low Bass 10Hz SPL champion, winning this position with his 14,000 watt system set up in his VW Transporter. Errol is also the owner of King SSP Sound, so bass is in his blood, and I know at some point this year he would have either had some of you covering your ears at Carnival or rattling the hell out of your buildings and nightclubs. But before we show you any more videos of Errol's van in action, we have purchased our very own SPL meter. This is the SSA APM-XT Wireless SPL Meter. This is a very simple SPL meter to use. You simply just download the app from either the App Store or Google Play, and that's it. The package contents is a SPL meter, a USB-C cable and a carry bag. Some of the features that we like on this SPL meter is it has a battery life of 8 hours, it only takes an hour and a half to charge, and it has an SPL range of 110 to 174 decibels, which is more than enough to test or, I believe, challenge any car or van out there. So remember, all you have to do if you buy this SPL meter is simply download the app from the iOS store or the Android store. So we purchased an SPL meter to help you guys out there understand more and appreciate the time and effort the guys and gals who feature their cars on our channel put into their projects and builds. It's easy to say a car has 3,000 or 100,000 watts, but you, the viewer, are never going to be able to experience or feel or hear the authentic sounds that we hear in person. Our SPL meter will give you, the viewer, stats that will show you how much decibels and at what hertz the cars we are featuring are producing with their systems. These stats might also help you decide what subwoofer you want to purchase, from DB Audio, OE, Pioneer, Bassface, Sundown, to name a few, as we have featured all of these subs on our channel. But please remember, every car is different. A 1,000 watt sub will sound different in every car and even sound different in the same car. If you are playing a small hatch with tons of bass, an SQL setup, a large van, or a saloon, no sub is going to sound or play the same in these different vehicles. And with that said, Errol has kindly agreed to come and test out our wireless SPL meter.
I ain't changed nothing since the last testing, so it's all the same readings I'm getting.
Okay. We carried out 6 tests. The first 4 with the SPL meter mounted to the windscreen, and the last 2 with the SPL meter mounted in between the headrests. If you listen very carefully at the end of test 5, you will hear Errol clearly say that the readings are exactly the same as he's been getting at the competitions, because he hasn't changed anything within his settings, which tells us that the SSA APM-XT Wireless SPL Meter is a fantastic meter. If you did not get a chance to see the readings in the videos, please look on the screen now and we'll place them up for you. These readings have been made by 4 times base space Team Red 15-inch subwoofers rated at 3,500 watts RMS each, which is a total of 14,000 watts RMS. A big thank you to Errol for coming out and testing this SPL meter for us, and to you guys, thanks for watching.